This is a HD quality video. To view this video in HD quality, go to the YouTube settings, select a quality and then select 1080p as shown in the video. In this video, we'll try to understand more about motion block. We'll also understand how to use more than one sprite in the Sketch project. Watch this chasing game. In this game, the cat follows the mouse and the dog follows the cat. In this type of games, characters move from one place to another. The computer games are all about running, chasing, escaping. Characters might run, fly, walk, or escape. See how much fun this is. See how the cat is going after the computer mouse pointer and the dog is chasing the cat. In the block palette, we have blue color motion block where many blocks are available. As you can see here, they are move, turn, go to X, Y, position, glide, etc. Let us open a new project. Go to the file and click on New. We have a cat sprite here. Try to move this cat using Move 10 steps block. Every time you click this block, cat moves 10 steps. Drag and drop the forever block. Now the cat keeps moving till it hits the edge of the stage. Create an event, let me drag and drop when space key is pressed. What can we do if we want the cat to return back after hitting the edge? For that, there is a block called if on edge bounce. Now let us put that block. Now when you press the spacebar key, the cat moves till it hits the edge and then moves towards left. But what are you observing? When the cat returns, it has become upside down. Let us try to rectify this problem. We have to change the cat's direction. The direction is -90 degrees now. Click on the direction to get the window shown. If you drag this circle as shown here, it is possible to change the cat's direction. There are three options here. This one is all around. If you select this, you can change the cat's direction from 0 to 360. In this project, we want the cat to move from left to right and right to left. So we have to select this middle option. This option says left/right. After selecting this, run the script. Now the cat moves from left to right and right to left. If you wish, you can add music too. How to add music to your project you have already learned. You can also watch our previous videos on coding to know more about it. In the next project, we will try to make a bird fly. Open the new project, delete the cat sprite, The bird's size is big for this project. Reduce the size. Write similar instructions which were written for the cat. Run the code and observe the bird. The bird is upside down, so go to the directions and click on left right as shown earlier. Now run the program again and observe. The bird moves from left to right and right to left. While moving, it does not flap its wings. If the wings are flapped up and down, it will look more realistic. Go to the costumes. The bird has two costumes. In the first one, the wings are up, and in the second costume, the wings are down. Let us add next costume block to our code. Also add weight block. In our previous video, we have explained the function of a weighting block or a weight block. Watch our previous videos to know more about weight block. Run the program. Change the number of steps in move block to 20 to make the bird fly faster. Create similar projects for practice. Now let us go back to the cat and mouse chasing game. Cat, mouse and the dog game. Now let us come back to the chasing game. In this game, the cat follows the computer mouse cursor and the dog follows the cat. To create this project, we will divide this into two parts. The first one is cat chasing the computer mouse. The second one, dog is chasing the cat. Generally, while developing any game or trying to solve any problem, it is easier if we divide the problem into two different parts and then solve. It helps us to understand the problem and find the solution. So in this first case, we try to write a code for the cat to follow the mouse. Go to the file and create new project. Drag and drop. Point towards mouse pointer. Block from the motion block. Drag and drop the forever block. Run the code and see that as you move the mouse, the cat sprite runs towards the mouse. Now what is the next step? The cat is not moving now. To make it move, add move 10 steps block. We are adding the event that when space key is pressed, the program starts. Now when you click the space key, the cat chases the mouse. We finished the first part. Now for the second part, we need another sprite, which is a dog in our case. Select the dog sprite from the menu. Now dog has to follow the cat. Pick up the point towards the mouse pointer block. The name of the cat sprite is sprite1 here. So from the drag down drop menu, we pick up sprite1. Now your block is pointing towards sprite1. As you see here, the dog sprite is highlighted here. If we are using more than one sprite, each sprite will have its own code. Add forever block and an event block at the same event when the space key pressed. Let us keep the dog a bit far away from the cat. For that, we have to adjust the position of the dog. In Scratch, the position on the stage is identified by the X and Y coordinates. Here X is 152 and Y is 60. If you move the dog, you can observe that the values of X and Y changes. This is like how we have address for our home. We identify our address by saying a street number, block number, house number, etc. Likewise, here we say that the value of X and Y coordinate are so and we can position our sprite. We can make a separate video to understand more about X and Y coordinates. For now, just remember that the position is identified by the X and Y coordinates. Add go to X160 Y56 block to our code. This indicates that start the dog always from this position. Let us put the cat in one corner. For that, X is minus 187 and Y is 117. Click the space bar. The game starts. If you feel like the series are too long, reduce the size. Let us make the size 50. Add music also. Now the game is ready. Run the program. The speed of the cat and dog are same now. To keep distance between the dog and cat, reduce the number of steps for dog. Make it 5 steps. Enjoy playing the game you have created. In our next video, we'll show you how to develop a hide and seek game. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.